Hello guys, welcome to my channel T something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix a smart view option not showing in your Android mobile phone. So how can fix this type of error? Let's get started. Before starting off the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay, it's first of all going to your Android mobile phone, and after doing that, scroll down, and now you can see data. Many options appear, but now you can see data Smart View not showing at this time. So, how to resolve it? Now you can see that these three dots. Now click on it. Click on Edit buttons. Now you can see that more options or a button available. Now scroll down, and now you can see that a smart view appears. So hold and press it and drag it and close it. Now after doing this step, click on done button, and after doing this step, now you can see that a smart view option is appear, and your problem smart view option not showing resolved. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe my YouTube channel.